Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional on Tuesday, October the 24th, 2023. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them, 4 of them I will solve tonight. Yes, tonight. And the first one I will do is the 3 star Sudoku number 7326. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 30 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 35 digits more. Usually for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But for 30 printed digits, should be a 0 stars, and for 0 stars I need to be faster than 40 minutes, maybe 13, maybe 15. We will see if this is a 0 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so last column, only 2 place level 6 should be here on the. See, 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so last row, only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. You see, 6 in this column, the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 6. Now I cannot continue with the 6. I need to wait. Then how about the number 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only place level 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row, the only 3 place level 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in this column, no 8 there, so the only place level 8 should be there. All right. Then 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 place level 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the row above, so no 8 there, so the only place level 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright, 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between, only place level 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 place level the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright, how about the 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. Alright. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 3, okay, need a 3 here. Cannot continue with the 3 now, need to wait. 4 4, okay, 4 4 4 4. Well, 5 5. We have 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in the third column, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So one digit left in this big square for number 1. We have a 4 and 1 of those two boxes in this row. 4 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 4 should be there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 in this box. We have 4 in the third column, no 4 in that box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row, 4 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in this column next, on the last column, only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now in this row, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 179, 179, 179, 179. And look, we have 1 and a 9 in this column, so no 1 and a 9 in this box. 1 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this big square for the number 7. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this second row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. We have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. A 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7, okay. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 in these two boxes. Here 9 in this column. No 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1. So 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. I believe the 7 and the 5 are missing. 7 and the 5. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. All right. And now. 1, 1. Okay, need a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these two boxes. Here 1 in the third column. No 1 in those two boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, third column. 1 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. A 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. 3 in the last row. 3 in a row above, so in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the most. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. A 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers, the last 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in the last third column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well. 3 stars? Don't think so. 2 stars? No. 1 star? No. Let me give this a 0 stars. Yeah, I told you should be a 0 stars because we have 30 printed digits, usually 25 for 3 stars. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. Well, this one definitely is 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.